Gather round, dear travelers, for a tale of an amphibian so peculiar. Meet Axolotl, the Mexican walking fish that's not a fish, doesn't really walk, and yet somehow steals the show of evolution. This neotenic salamander refuses to grow up. This creature is less fish and more amphibian with a penchant for aquatic loitering. Habitat: freshwater lakes and ponds, preferably with a view. Location: Mexico, specifically the canals of Xochimilco. Lifespan: 10 to 15 years, assuming it avoids the local carp's dinner menu. Size: 15 to 45 centimeters, a perfect fit for your aquarium. Weight: 60 to 200 grams, though captivity can turn them into chunky little legends up to 500 grams. Color: 13 morphs, think of them as the pastel goth of amphibians. The diet: worms, tadpoles, insects, and the occasional tiny fish. Basically, the axolotl is a picky eater with a taste for the wriggly. Predators: storks, herons, and some overly ambitious fish like carp and tilapia. Top speed: a blistering 15 kilometers per hour. Frankly, unimpressive. Number of species: 1, because axolotls are too fabulous to share the spotlight. Conservation status: critically endangered. Humans, stop mucking up their lakes. While other amphibians are busy metamorphosing into land lubbers with lungs and legs, the axolotl retains its larval features and stays in the pool. Axolotls can regrow their limbs, lungs, hearts, spinal cords, and even bits of their brain in mere weeks. A protein called C-phos is the secret sauce behind this trick. Axolotls suck up their food like a vacuum cleaner on a mission. Rakers in their gills snap shut to foods, making mealtimes a slurptastic affair. As bottom feeders, axolotls hoover up gravel alongside their snacks. It's their version of a food processor. Plus, the gravel helps them float just right. The name axolotl comes from the Aztecs, meaning water dog. They revered these critters, linking them to Xochimilco, the dog-headed god of fire and lightning. A female axolotl can lay 300 to 1,000 eggs, each carefully tucked onto plants or rocks for protection. 2 weeks later, the eggs hatch, and the tiny axolotls are off, fending for themselves with no parental supervision. Scientists are using sacks of rocks and plants as water filters to create cleaner, safer homes for axolotl in Xochimilco. It's like giving them a 5-star Airbnb to boost their breeding game. There you have it, folks. The axolotl, nature's quirkiest creation, strutting its stuff with a grin and a limb regrowing swagger. Subscribe to our channel for more nature's fun facts.